experiment.
It's testing of this hypothesis.
And it's testing. And then if you test that hypothesis, you hope that you are going to win more than, or to be correct more than you're going to be wrong. But it's a very different framing of what is it that we are trying. And it's a very different framing of what's success and what's failure. So sometimes, like, I talk to people and say, we're running that experiment. We're trying this. There is the concept of failure and success in the sense of, did things work exactly as we thought they would? Okay, and in that, if that's the case, our hypotheses are correct and we found something and we need now to tune it and continue and scale it. But there is also the concept of, if it didn't work as expected, I don't know how to explain. It's not like the experiment has failed. The experiment gave you the output was designed, or it answered the question it was designed to answer.
Exactly.
Okay, it didn't fail. The only way, when I talk to sometimes about the people, it's like, when would it fail? Would it fail when there was no discipline in how we experimented, or when we applied our strategy, or when we applied our experiment, to the extent that with the outcome in hand, I can't extract useful information. I don't know. We did not follow the line of the experiment that we've agreed on, and we didn't isolate variables, and it was all over the place.
Oh wow. Okay.
And I don't know what is it that didn't work. That probably for me is a more accurate definition of failing within an experiment, because I don't know what to do with it now. It's like, okay, we put that time, we put that resources. Am I able to extract any useful knowledge from it? Did it increase my chances on me having a more accurate or a better result next time around? We didn't follow the strategy. And that's a very interesting concept, because now you start talking about that friction, or that collision between discipline and autonomy.
Yes,
it's very interesting. And that's why I don't think it's a mechanical process. You don't put innovation variables in an Excel sheet and something happens. And there is that. If it's an experiment, you need a little bit of discipline.
زي ما حكيت, variables isolated and then playing around.
Exactly, to say, this is what we're going to do, and if we do this, this is what's going to happen. And if it doesn't come out that way, I can think about what is it that I want to change. But
to actually use those failures
exactly, because we follow the strategy, we followed an experiment. There is a line to that experiment.